Hey, Project Ram Life. What's up, YouTube? Coming at you with another video. Real quick on these Cummins second gens, especially the 98.5. If you guys are wondering if your wheel bearing that goes right here attaches to the axle, if your wheel bearing, to find out if it's no good, quick little video for you. So this one, pick it up. It spins pretty smoothly, spins nice, but then what do we encounter? We encounter this movement. You'll be able to see it better here. This. See this? This is way too much movement. See this? It's not supposed to have that at all. That play right there is going to translate once you got everything set up on the axle, everything set, tightened, and you got that heavy wheel on there. This is it's gonna be so much play, it's not even funny. Death wobble and everything else coming from this right here. This is not supposed to move at all. You could test this too on the vehicle. Once your tire's on there, you grab the tire, top and bottom, and you wiggle it. If the tire moves, that's the way to know. But this is just if you have it off, just to check like this. Now I have another one right here. It doesn't have that movement whatsoever at all. Doesn't have that movement up or down. This one's good. You see the difference? This one doesn't move. This one moves. But look at this. The bearings on this is shot. Look at that. Look at that. The oil, the grease, the oil, whatever, the bearings, they're all messed up. This one, you can feel it's nice and smooth, but this one, it's gone. This is from Big O. They run you 209 with the sensor. Luckily for me, I think it's still under the warranty. It's a 1 year limited warranty, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, good thing I took it off, and I'm redoing the brake line, the rotors, the calipers, and the pads, and I found that out. But I just want to make this video for you guys real quick. So if you have this movement, it goes up and down, moves within this circle right here, no bueno. And right here, this one doesn't move, but if I'm using strength right there to move it like that, they shouldn't move that hard. So it's shot, the bearings are messed up inside. So we're gonna take it and get a new one. I'll make another video for you when I get the new ones to compare it. Project Ram Life out.